How to make wealth and fitness a lifestyle. Is exercise a way of life? What is your reasoning? Yes, fitness may become a lifestyle because the person who exercises obtains positive, consistent, and seamless advantages from it in connection to the rest of their life interests. People that engage in lifestyle fitness are frequently more conscious of other aspects of their lives, such as diet, sleep, and self-care. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video is all about your well-being. A healthy lifestyle may spark creativity while teaching discipline, flexibility, and balance, but a wealthy mindset gets you places. So, grab your notes, as we will be giving you tips on attaining the healthy and wealthy lifestyle you deserve. Let's get started. Number 6. Create a versatile workout routine. When exercise becomes a way of life, it becomes simpler to incorporate it into a hectic schedule. The goal is to design a flexible program that enables you to move when it is most convenient. Experiment with various places and genres. For example, consider practicing HIIT at home when you're short on time. On weekends, you might also go mountain biking with your pals. Combine outdoor exercises with weight training at the gym. Long jogs in Adidas runners will help you change up your speed. Number 5. Focus on your feelings. Most individuals begin a fitness regimen to achieve a physical or health-related objective. So why continue exercising once you've reached your goal? Because the procedure has its advantages. That is why fitness is a way of life. For many people, the sense of being healthy is more important than the actual outcomes. Furthermore, feeling more fit might motivate other lifestyle adjustments. Many individuals begin working out with friends. After, they are more confident in their fitness. When fitness ceases being about self-control and becomes about lifestyle, they start eating to boost their training rather than exercising to counter consumption. Number 4. Be realistic. Dave Gutzka, managing director of US Bank, never shares anyone else's routine. Instead, he works out 3 times a week. My strategy was more effective than theirs because it was practical and I met my objectives, which kept me motivated. He advises individuals to avoid attempting to do too much regarding retirement savings, even if it means examining their finances. Whether working out or reading statements, taking a break is a good way to recharge your batteries. For instance, make a goal of properly reviewing your finances once a month and allocate the time, he suggests. Number 3. Positive social circle. Create meaningful connections. Be with the people who are uplifting and inspirational and positive. Cut ties with those who bring negative energy or activities into your life. Improve your family relationships. Make an effort to spend time together on significant occasions such as birthdays, since their love and support may work wonders for your mental and physical well-being. Have the guts to say no. Don't feel terrible about refusing invitations or opportunities that don't seem right for your life right now. Maintaining a healthy and fit lifestyle takes effort but can unleash your full potential. Even little improvements may hugely influence your health, leaving you more energized and eager to continue making good choices. Number 2. Keep an eye on the outcomes and adjust the program as needed. In life, change is unavoidable. Recognizing and adapting to change is essential for health and financial success. If you like exercising outside, you should modify the kind and length of your exercises when the seasons shift from warm to cold. With age, adjustments are also required. What worked for your conditioning in your 20s may not work in your 40s and 50s. Changes in your demands and ambitions need changing tactics, as preparing for a marathon differs greatly from training for a physique contest, adds Winkfield. As your wants and requirements change, you must assess and regroup your budgetary strategy. Number 1. Crosstrain method. Reed Abdeen, a partner with Safeguard Investment Advisory Group in Corona, California, runs 7 miles weekly. He waits and does cross-train on 2 other days of the week. This diverse workout technique is analogous to diversifying investments across asset classes and instruments with varied end goals. If I put money on the defensive and markets fall, I'm not obliged to sell at a loss, he explains. I've sought balance, he adds, referring to cross-training. Winkfield expresses the same principle differently. He believes that it's no different from spending all your time in the cardio part of the gym, just moving from the elliptical to the treadmill to the spin cycle, referring to the fact that too many individuals put all of their resources into market-dependent items. Extra tip: do not compete against anyone. This is your life and this is your adventure. Because no 2 individuals are alike, you should never compare yourself to others. You're on the right road if you get up every day and strive to be better than you were the day before. It is fine to be stressed about not attaining your own goals, but it is not okay to compare your plans with others. That's it for today's video. I hope you like the information. If you employ these strategies in your respective regimens, you'll find physically and financially fit. We will see you with a more informative video soon. Until then, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon for the latest updates.